friends, so today finally bought this benchmark dethatcher, and now we are planning to install. Let's see. We'll start with the installation process, unpacking. So from last couple of years I was doing manually detaching. It was a very painful job, and now I thought to buy this dethatcher. As you can see, this is from Benchmark Home Hardware, and I will first assemble this one. So I can show you, this is the kit, and we'll keep it here. We have the manual, and we'll see. Screw, nut bolts, handle, power handle, attachments. And we have attachment. Looks very lightweight. There's one more attachment and the toolbox. I need cutter for this one. You'll see if we cut this. We'll see what other attachment they have given. What is okay. This is one assembly which we need to install. I believe the one is already installed. I believe so. We'll see. Yes, one is already installed. So we need to remove this one because I have to do hatching, and for that I need to see the manual. But before manual, let me install this. Entire setup, manual. finally it's done. We'll see. We'll go outside now. We'll see how it works. Okay. Yeah. Change the lever setting.
एक मिनट हो गया।
This much basket, just a short area. Finally, it is done. Green bin is full now. I can show you the progress. So if you see, it's pretty good now.